Good morning, children. This is 8th standard maths. Let us continue the chapter 9, mensuration. In the last class, we have studied about the shapes such as cube, cuboid and cylinder. And also, we have studied the formulas of total surface area and lateral surface areas of cube, cuboid and cylinder. In today's class, let us solve the exercise problems. Exercise 9.3, first problem. In a cuboidal box, length is equal to 60 cm, breadth or it is width equal to 40 cm, height is equal to 50 cm. We have to find the lateral surface area of cuboid. Let us first write what is given in the problem. Length of a cuboidal box L equal to 60 cm. Breadth or width of a cuboidal box is equal to 40 cm. And height of a cuboidal box is equal to 50 cm. So, the formula to find the lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to A is equal to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L is the formula to find the lateral surface area of cuboid. In the next step, substitute the values, that is 2 into 60 into 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60. On further simplification, 2 into 6 fours are 24. Put 2 zeros plus 40 into 50. 5 fours are 20. Then take 2 zeros plus 50 into 60. Multiply 5 into 6. That is 30. Then put 2 zeros. Now, in the next step, add 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. When you add, you get 0, 0, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. You get 7400. Therefore, 2 into 7400. When you multiply 7400 into 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 7 twos are 14. Therefore, the lateral surface area of a cuboidal box is equal to 14,800 centimeter square. Therefore, write here 14,800 centimeter square. Area is expressed in centimeter square. Next, second question. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. What is given? Surface area of the cube, that is A area, that is equal to 600 centimeter square. What we have to find out? We have to find out the side of a cube, that is equal to A. We know the formula for the surface area of a cube, that is A is equal to 6A square, where A represents the side of the cube. So we need to find out the side of the cube now. We know the value of area, that is equal to 600 equal to 6A square. Now in the next step, 600, here it is 6 into A square. While bringing this 6 to the left side, it becomes divided by 6 equal to A square. Then, on simplifying, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, write here 2 zeros. Therefore, you will get 100 is equal to A square. What do we need? We need to find out the value of A. That will be equal to 100. 100 equal to A square. Then A is equal to root of 100. We know that the square root of 100 is equal to 10. Therefore, A, that is equal to side of the cube, is equal to 10 centimeter. That is equal to 10 centimeter. Now let us solve the third problem. The third problem is that a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? Therefore, in the given problem, radius of a closed cylindrical tank is given, that is R equal to 7 meter. Then height H is given, that is equal to 3 meter. Then what do we need to find out? We need to find out the total surface area of sheet of the metal required to form a closed cylindrical tank. We know the formula to find the total surface area of a cylinder, that is equal to A is equal to 2 pi r into H plus r. In the next step, substitute the values, that is 2 into pi has a constant value equal to 22 by 7 into radius 7 into height 3 plus 7. On simplification in the next step, 7 of the denominator, 7 of the numerator gets cancels. The remaining value will be 2 into 22 into 7 plus 3. The value will be equal to 10. Therefore, 2 into 22, you get 44 into 10, that will be equal to 440 meter square. Therefore, the total surface area of the sheet of the metal required to form a closed cylindrical tank will be equal to 440 meter square. Fourth problem. In a building, there are 24 cylindrical pillars. The radius of each pillar is 28 centimeter and height is 4 meter. Find the curved surface area of 24 such pillars. So, what is given in the problem? Let us write. First, the total number of cylindrical pillars given is 24. Then, radius of cylindrical pillar, the value is given equal to 28 centimeter. This centimeter, now we have to convert it into meters. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and therefore 28 centimeter, it is how many meters? So when you cross multiply, you get 28 divided by 100. Now, when you do the division, 28 is lesser than 100. So take 0 point and put here 0. We know that 100 twos are 200. So the value will be equal to 80. 80 is lesser than 100. So take 0. 100, how much are 800? 100. 8s are 800. 0. Therefore, the radius of the cylindrical pillar will be equal to 0.28 meter. What we have to find out? We need to find out the curved surface area of the pillar. The pillar is in the form of a cylinder. So the formula to find the curved surface area of the pillar, that is cylinder, is equal to A is equal to 2 pi RH. Now, substitute the values. On substituting, we have 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, that is 0.28 into 4. On further simplification in the next step, that is 0 and 0.28, we have 7 ones are 7, 0.2 is lesser than 7, take 0, so that it is 28. 7, how much are 28? 7 fours are 28. So, we have 2 into 22 into 0.04 into 4. First, let us multiply 2 into 22. We get the value 44. Then, 0.04 into 44. On multiplication, 4 4s are 16, 1 is remaining, 4 zeros are 0 plus 1, 4 zeros are 0. Again you'll get the same value, 6 1 0. Now 6 plus 1 we have 7 1 0. Look here, after the decimal point we have 2 digits. So in the answer, after the 2 digits from the right side, take 2 digits and put one decimal point so that it will be equal to 1.76 into, we have 4 here, right, 4. 6 4s are 24, 2 is remaining, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 3 is remaining, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. So here, after the decimal point, there are 2 digits. So from the right side, after 2 digits, put a decimal point. Then your value will be equal to 7.04. Area is expressed in meter square. So therefore, curved surface area of the pillar is equal to 7.04 meter square. What do we need to find out? We need to find out the curved surface area of 24 such pillars. Now, we had found out the curved surface area of one pillar, that is equal to 7.04 meter square. Now we have to find out the curved surface area of 24 such pillars. Therefore, 7.04 into 24. On simplification, 4 4s are 16, 1 is remaining, 4 zeros are 0, plus 1, 7 4s are 28. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros are 0, 7 2s are 14. On further simplification, 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 1. See here, there are 2 digits after the decimal point. In the same way, in the answer, put the decimal point after 2 digits. Therefore, we have curved surface area of 24 such pillars is equal to 168.96 meter square. Therefore, 168.96 meter square will be the answer for the fourth problem. Let us solve the fifth problem now. The problem is, the internal measures of a cuboidal room are 12 meter into 8 meter into 4 meter. That means length of the room L equal to 12 meter, width or breadth of the room will be equal to 8 meter, then height of the room will be equal to 4 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing all 4 walls of the room if the cost of whitewashing is rupees 5 per meter square. In this problem, they had not given whether to find out the lateral surface area or total surface area of the cuboidal room. But in the problem, the hint is given that 4 walls of a room. So in a cuboid, if the top and the bottom portion is excluded, then we need to find out the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Since in the room, the top portion and the bottom portion of the walls are excluded, only 4 walls you need to consider. Therefore, we have to find out the lateral surface area of 4 walls of the room. So the formula of lateral surface area of the cuboid will be equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Substitute the values, 2 into 12 plus 8 into 4. On further simplification, 2 into 12 plus 8, it will be equal to 20 into 4. So on multiplication, 2 into 20 into 4. 2 2s are 4, 0, 40 into 4, you get the value 4 4s are 16 and 1 0, therefore 160 meter square. Therefore, the lateral surface area of 4 walls of the room will be equal to 160 meter square. We know that cost of whitewashing per meter square is rupees 5. That means for 1 meter square it is rupees 5. Now we need to find out the total cost of whitewashing the 4 walls of the room. We know that for 1 meter square it is rupees 5. Therefore, for 160 meter square, how much will be the cost? When you cross multiply, you get 160 into 5. On multiplying, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 3 remaining, 5 1s are 5, plus 3, 800. Therefore, the total cost of whitewashing 4 walls of the room will be equal to rupees 800. The next problem. Find the height of the cylinder whose radius is 7 centimeter and the total surface area is 968 centimeter square. So we need to find out the height of the cylinder. What is given? Radius of the cylinder are equal to 7 centimeter. Total surface area is equal to 968 centimeter square. We know the total surface area of the cylinder. The formula is A is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. On substituting the values, we have 968 is the area equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 radius into 7 plus h. We need to find out the value of h. Therefore, get it to the left side. Therefore, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 plus h equal to 968. In the next step, 7 and 7 get cancels. The remaining is 2 into 22. It will be equal to 44 into 7 plus h equal to 968. Therefore, in the next step, it is 44 into 7 plus h equal to 968. Therefore, 7 plus h is equal to 968. Since you have multiplication, this number will coming to the right side, it becomes divided by 44. Divide 968 by 44. It goes by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Here it goes by 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1 is remaining. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. So we have 484 divided by 22. Again it goes by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So we have 242 divided by 11. Therefore, now 242 divided by 11, it goes by 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 24 minus 22, the remaining is 2. So 22, 11 2s are 22. Therefore, 7 plus h is equal to 22. We need to find out the value of h, that is height. Therefore, h is equal to 22. Here you have plus 7. While coming to the right side, it becomes minus 7. So, on 22 minus 7, you get the height value equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, the height of the cylinder is equal to 15 centimeter. Thank you.